Meron bang batas on online voting? Wala po ha. Wala pang batas sa online voting. Pero itong ating Commission on Elections, perhaps out of their intention to really rationalize and make it easy for our overseas Filipino voters to vote, no, implemented on its own without a law, the online voting. Maganda siguro ang intensyon, pero maski nga sa Amerika, wala pang ang online voting. Selected lang masyado. Dito tayo, nagmamadali tayo masyado na wala pong batas. Basic po yun sa ating batas. Basic po yun sa ating legal system that agencies such as Commission on Elections merely implement the law. They cannot make or craft the law. In this case, it is our humble view that COMELEC has overstepped its bounds. No, it has exercising functions which is ultra vires, meaning beyond its authority. So, kaya nga po, siguro dahil wala masyadong konsultasyon, hindi ito masyado siguro na open up sa mga publiko, ang dami pong reklamo ngayon. We have to face that. And even if kaibigan natin yung mga nandyan, yung mga commissioners po dyan,